Welcome to 914 Dawson's Parkway. This lovely 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a one-car garage, covered front porch, fenced backyard, as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring and granite countertops inside. It's located in the Dawson's Park neighborhood in Lexington, convenient to I-20, downtown Lexington, as well as area amenities. So we're out front. You have a 2-car wide driveway leading up to the front of the house. You can see on the right a 1-car garage with carriage-style accents on the door. You have nice lighting on the exterior as well, and also a covered front porch as you enter. We step inside to the living or family room off the entry. Which you can see has the luxury vinyl plank, hardwood look flooring. Starts here and continues throughout the main level. You have a ceiling fan in the front room here, as well as a window looking out to the front. You can see the stairs going up to the second level there. Flanking the way to the kitchen and dining area, we have a coat closet on the left, and then there is a half bathroom or guest bath on the right side that has a pedestal sink and commode. You have crown molding in the dining area at the rear of the home. You can see the sliding glass door out to backyard space, which is fenced. So you have some privacy fencing there, as well as a nice size concrete patio. And then right off of the dining area, you have large open kitchen. So in here you have stainless steel appliances as well as granite countertops, dark wood cabinets. There's also recessed lighting and built-in speakers, as well as audio connections in here. There's a stainless steel dishwasher, above range microwave, smooth top electric stove, and side-by-side refrigerator. And then in the corner here you have a pantry, as well as your full-size laundry closet. So you have full-size washer and dryer connections there. There's a small alcove behind the door to the garage as well. In the garage itself, you can see is a 1-car garage, which is a nice size. You have your electrical panel box, as well as controls for sprinklers and a water shutoff in here as well. That's a medium or small size SUV parked inside right now, just to give you a bit of idea of scale. So you do have some more length in there to fit a longer vehicle. And now for the second level, you have carpeting starting here and continues up through the second level, except for the bathrooms, which have that same LVT flooring. So up on the second story landing, you can see the full bathroom straight ahead. So you have the granite countertops in there again, single vanity, the flooring, and a nice tub and shower enclosure. Then you have 2 bedrooms on this end of the home, and this is facing the backyard. So a nice sized bedroom here. You can see the closet in the corner on that side. Then your second bedroom, this one's a bit larger, also rear facing. The closet on this one is in the back corner. And then as we continue down the hallway, bedroom number 3. And then last but not least, your primary or master suite facing towards the front of the home. So this room has a ceiling fan, very nice size. You also have two closets in here, so there's one tucked behind the door. More of a standard closet. You have hanging space at the top and bottom. And then you also have a second closet on this side, which is a walk-in. And you can see sort of 2 or 3 shelves kind of going around on 3 sides there. Window out towards the front. And then straight ahead you can see the master bathroom, which has double sinks, granite countertops, you have a large mirror, and then a same flooring, and then a walk-in shower at the back here, which is a really nice size as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 914 Dawson Parkway in Lexington. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.